Namaste and a very good morning, dear students. So this is Yojana ma'am again with your maths class. And last time, you remember we had started with a new topic, fraction. And today in this video, we are going to do one activity with origami sheets or any paper which is available with you. You can take that. So let's start with the activity. Okay children, let us start with the activity, and for this activity we will be needing two round papers. Okay, if you have round papers with you, you can take. If you do not have, then take two papers, any papers that you have with you, and put something round and you can cut them. I have these two papers with me, so I am using them. First of all, we are going to fold them. Just match the edges and fold them like this also, and one more fold. Okay, then we will open them. See, this is one thing and this is one. Now we will be taking one pencil or marker, whatever you have. Just use a scale and mark them like this. See, we have marked them like that. Now what are we going to do? Just put them over each other, and with the help of your brother, sister, elder brother, elder sister, mama, papa, anybody, and you have to make a cut till the center. Did you see? We have made a cut on both the papers. Then insert it like this. Like this. See? Now if you see clearly, this has been divided into 4 equal parts, and this represents 1 by 4th, because this is 1 out of 4 equal parts, and this is 3 out of 4 equal parts, so this is 3/4. Now if I rotate it, see, this is 1/2 and this is 1/2. Then rotate it one more time. Again, now it has become 3 parts out of 4 parts, and this is 1 part. Now if I rotate it one more time, then this covers the whole and it becomes one complete thing, one whole. So did you see, just by rotating we have learned the fractions over here. Children, you can make easily and just do it with it. We are going to do one more activity. For that we will be needing simple these sheets. You can take any paper that is there with you. So first of all, we will be taking, see, this is one complete paper with us, so this is one whole. Okay, so we will take this as it is. This is whole. Now we will take another paper and fold it like this. See, it has been divided into 2 equal parts, 1/2, the other half. So these are 2 halves. Okay, now we will take another paper and we are going to fold it in 3 equal parts. So when you open it, it has been divided into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3 equal parts. Now with this paper we are going to fold it just 2 times. These 2 folds will divide this paper into 4 equal parts. Can you see that? And after doing this, we are going to paste them in the notebook like I have done it here. This is one whole, and please paste it like that only, just one edge of it to be pasted. This is 1/2, this is 1/2. Now I have pasted this from the center. See, this is 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. Okay, and for the for the fourth one, we are going to paste it just the 1/4 part of it. So this is 1/4. Okay children, I hope I am clear. Okay children, now you will do these activities at home and enjoy.